let's talk about cracking your own neck and back and why that is not a good idea and why you feel you need to do that and why it feels better afterwards. But my biggest question to you is, if it were fixing something, do you think you would need to continue to do that? So you get that sensation, that urge that you gotta go, or you gotta go, and get that popping sensation that alleviates pressure. You probably feel a lot of relief afterwards. When we're looking at when the bone is out of place and has that subluxation, you're feeling this pressure build up. We have lots of scar tissue and fluid and swelling happening on this side of the joint. So when you are cracking your own back, you're actually pushing it in the wrong direction. You don't have the line of drive to be able to bring it and override that swelling and scar tissue. That's what the adjustment does. When our bones are out of alignment and we have that pressure buildup, the adjustment is able to properly align the spine and override that scar tissue so that it can bring the bone back into the proper position, not continuously pushing it over and over again in the wrong position, which is going to create hypermobility. It's going to stretch out those ligaments and create the elastic to become weak and not stable. But why does it feel so good? Because it feels real good, right? It feels good because your body is brilliant. The movement of the joint is a faster nerve receptor than the discomfort and pain in the joint. For example, when you slam your hand into a door, you got your thumb in the door and you're like, shaking your wrist is not fixing the thumb that you just slammed in the door. But the shaking of the wrist is getting to your brain faster than the pain in your thumb. And that's the same thing that happens with popping your own neck and back, is that movement of the bones gets to your brain faster than that discomfort. So if we were fixing something, when you wouldn't feel like you needed to do that 2 to 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a day. Our patients regularly tell us, man, I used to always feel like I had to pop my neck and back, and now I never feel like I have to do that anymore, because we're actually correcting the bone and bringing it into the proper alignment. So before you wear out those ligaments and create hypermobility, give us a call and let's see how we can help you alleviate that pressure. You can also check out our patient testimonies on our patient testimonial page. Thanks for listening.